Hey everyone! If you've been trying to render perfect vertical videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok using Vegas Pro 22, this tutorial is going to make your life so much easier. Let's jump in and get your project set up the right way. So first, let's open Vegas Pro 22. Before you even start editing, the most important thing is your project settings. When the welcome screen appears, you'll notice the default option is a widescreen project. That's the usual 16:9 layout. But for vertical videos, we need a portrait project, which is 9:16. Simply select Portrait, choose your resolution and frame rate, I'll keep it at 1080p 60 fps, and click Create Project. As you can see, Vegas now shows a clean vertical layout ready for shorts or reels. But what if you don't see the welcome screen at all? No problem, just go to the File menu, click Welcome Screen, and choose the Portrait option from there. Click Create Project and you're set. And in case the welcome screen is missing entirely in your version of Vegas, here's another way. Click the project settings icon right above your video preview. From the templates list, choose 1080p 60 fps, but remember, that's still horizontal. So now manually switch the values. Set width to 1080 and height to 1920. Adjust anything else you need, click Apply, then OK, and boom, your preview flips into vertical mode. Now let's drop some clips onto the timeline and edit as usual. Trim, cut, add effects, whatever your video needs. Once you're done, it's time to render, which is the most important part for vertical content. First, select your entire timeline by double-clicking the area above the track headers or selecting it manually. Then go to File, Render As, or simply click the Render As button under the toolbar. In the render window, open the format MAGIX AVC MP4. You'll notice there is a default portrait option, but it's 30 fps. If your video is 30 fps, you can simply use the default portrait template. But since we want 60 fps, we'll start with a standard template instead. Choose Internet HD 1080p 60 fps as our base template. Then click Customize Template. Here we adjust it for vertical output. Under frame size, choose Custom Frame Size, and again flip the numbers. 1080 for width, 1920 for height. Everything else can stay the same unless you want to tweak audio or system settings. Click OK, name your file, and hit Render. Now let the render finish, and once it's done, open the folder and check your video. And there it is, a perfectly rendered vertical video, ready for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. And that's how you set up and render vertical content in Vegas Pro 22, from project settings all the way to export. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss future editing tips. And let me know in the comments if you want more Vegas Pro tutorials or any other software you'd like help with. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.